So, what is cloud? The cloud in the cloud computing has nothing to do with the natural clouds that we see on the sky. In technical terms, especially in terms of the cloud computing, cloud refers to the servers that are accessible over the internet and the services and applications are hosted over those servers. We all know that the servers are located in data centers. The thing to note here is that, it is not necessary that these data centers are in the nearby location to the user. There is a possibility that these data centers and servers which are delivering user the services are located in some remote location which is mainly unknown to the user. The location could be in India, USA, Australia, or any other country worldwide. A server installed in Australia may provide service to the user present in Asia region, or a server situated in India may provide service to the user sitting in other corner of the world. Since the server location is mainly unknown to the user, for them, these are somewhere situated over the cloud. The figure on the screen gives an idea of cloud structure, where data center that consists of number of servers containing applications, databases, and other resources are accessed by the end user via the internet. More specifically, we can say that these decentralized physical data centers, whose location is unknown to the user, are regarded as cloud.